Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you about the experiment on the absorption cross section of a lead using GM counter. Okay, here are the uh, lead of different thicknesses. Okay, before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Okay, the aim of the experiment is to find out cross section of a lead using gamma source in GM counter. So this is the source holder where this is GM tube which detects the radiations of this gamma source. So here we have to keep the source in the source holder, and just first you need to know the how to make the settings in this GM counter. So first I already explained you how to calculate operating voltage of a GM counter. So once you calculate operating voltage, just you can go to the program. Here you need to give the voltage as well as the time, preset time. So here paralysis time must be off. Voltage must be how much here? Operating voltage of this GM counter is 550. In the previous video, I have explained how to calculate operating voltage of a GM counter. Just watch that video and I will share the video link in the description box for operating voltage. So here I am going to keep the voltage at 550. Slowly you have to increase. So here 550. Okay, then you have to say store, then go to program again and set the preset time. Okay, here they kept 900, but you require 20 second here. Use this above arrow key, make it 0 and then 20 second. 1, 2. Okay, then say store. Okay, three things you have to remember here: voltage 550, operating voltage, and preset time 20 second, and paralysis time must be off. After saying store, then you can start taking reading, but before starting, first you should know the procedure. So first thing what you have to do, you have to note down the background counts. How you are going to do the background counts without source. So you should just remove the source. Without source, you have to note down the background counts here. Just click on start. So here you can see for 20 seconds without source how many background counts are there? 12. Just note down the background counts. Then you have to keep this source in this source holder. Okay, you can keep it in the 6th slot, and here you have to keep the source. So I will keep the one of the thickness in this holder and I will keep it here. So here I am going to keep the source in the source holder, and then I am going to keep here the thickness of the lead of different thicknesses. So here we have selected 5 different thicknesses, and just before that you should note down observation of here: operating voltage 550, source use cesium source, absorber used here lead. different thicknesses. So here the 5 absorbers of different thicknesses. First you write down in the tabular column, then you should note down the counts for 20 seconds. So here I kept the source. So next I will keep the first thickness, and it also depends upon the distance in which slot you are going to keep. The readings or the counts are going to vary. If you keep near, it is going to detect the large number of radiations. So here we kept here in the second slot and third slot. If you increase the distance, then the count rate is going to decrease. So here I will press start for 20 seconds. You can see the counts are going to increase. So for 20 seconds, here we got 391 counts. So here for first thickness 0.015 they got 366. Here we got around 391. So next what you have to do, count rate. You have to divide this by 20. You will get count per second. Then take the ln of this count rate. So repeat the same procedure for other 4 different thicknesses. Then you can just note down the observed counts per 20 seconds and calculate the count rate and take the ln. This is the diagram how actually GM counter works. And here is the nature of graph. You should plot here graph of thickness versus ln n. Okay. Once you plot the graph, you will get the slope here. The slope that they got is around 0.5 per centimeter. After calculating the slope, you have to use this slope to calculate mass absorption coefficient. First you should know the formula to calculate cross section. Cross section is what? The area where the interaction between particle and radiation will take place. So this is the important formula to calculate cross section. Mu m into mass number of the gamma source used and Avogadro number, square of that. So here from graph we will get the value of mu, linear attenuation coefficient. Mu value they got about 0.5. Then mean absorption coefficient mu m is equal to mu by rho, 0.5 divided by density of the absorber. Here we have used lead. So density about 13.3 and in some text they have written 11. So calculate mu m and substitute in this formula. Mu m, mass number of the cesium source is how much? That is 207 and Avogadro number. You will get the cross section of a lead about 15 barn, and cross section usually we measure in terms of barn. Barn is how much? 10 to the power minus 24 centimeter square or 10 to the power minus 28 in terms of meter square. So they got 15 barns. So this is the absorption cross section of lead, that is about 15 barn. So this is how you can do the calculation for absorption cross section for lead using GM counter. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.